Hi, I'm Toby. I'm in class 601, and today I will be showing you how to find the lowest common multiple. 5 times 10. So for this one, all you need to do is look at both of the numbers and then find the first two that are the same. In this case, it's 10 and 10, which are the first two numbers. 5 and 9. For this one, you look through all the numbers because it's not the first two. So for this one, the two numbers are 45 and another 45. Okay, so for this one, you have to look through all of them. It's not just the first one. For this one, you're going to need to do 60 and 60. Sometimes when you're doing it, but not for this one, you're just going to need to times them both together. So 10 times 12, and that'll be 120, and then 10 times 12 here is also 120. Here, you have three numbers you need to put together. So you're really going to need to look hard. And for this one, it seems that we can't find one that are all the same for three of them, but we can find two that are the same. For instance, 9 and 9 for 3 and 9 go together, and 90 and 90 for 9 and 10 go together, but we can't do this with only up to 10. So what we can do is we can multiply up some more. So like I did, 3 times 30 equals 90. Then we found some. There we go. So here we did 30 times 3 and we got 90. And as we found 90 twice in 9 and 10. So that will work as well. So now we have a word problem. Today Sak is making plants. They can only make it into a square. So they only have to find the lowest common multiple to make a square. They only have 10, which is what we'll work with. So help find out the number. We'll do 10, and we'll split that in half, which is 5. And there, you have your lowest common multiple. Common mistakes people make. You need to know how to multiply your numbers, or else you cannot do this. And sometimes people will just do it in their head, and then they'll forget about one common multiple that is the lowest, and they'll get it wrong. How to solve these mistakes? Learn your times tables and write out all your multiples like we did today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. To make sure you know how to do it, try this question 9 times 4. Then I think you'll get the hang of it.